In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to secure your Instagram account from hackers. Now, this is going to make your Instagram account 100% safe. So I'll be showing you how to do this on an Android device, but if you have an Apple iPhone, not a problem. This is going to work for you also. So the first thing is get hold of your phone and then open the Instagram application. Once you do that, click on your profile icon to the bottom right and then click on the menu to the top right. And then you do a search for authentication. You just type the word and you get a suggestion for two-factor authentication. Click on that option and then you get directed to this page. Select the account you want to turn on two-factor authentication for. So let me select this account. And then you have two options to generate codes from or get codes on. Maybe Google Authenticator, or if you want to receive text SMS, you could select the second option, click on next. And then you get the 6-digit code in WhatsApp on this number and then enter the code out here, click on next, and your two-factor authentication is on. Apart from this, if you want to use Google Authenticator, select the first option, click on next, and then you need to copy this key and paste it in the Authenticator and get a code. Okay, you need to set this up on Google Authenticator or Duo Mobile or set it up. And apart from that, what I would also like to suggest is put a lock to your Instagram account on your device. So if you're using an Android device, it's very simple. You get to settings directly and you look for app lock. Okay, select that option and then click on app locker, unlock, and then look for Instagram out here in the list. Select Instagram and you're done. Your Instagram app is locked. So basically, if you turn on two-factor authentication for the Instagram application, you are definitely going to be 100% safe. Give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.